Welcome to our latest property, the Croft, Liversedge, an absolutely fantastic period property full of masses of architectural features, 3 bedrooms with an occasional room in the cellar that acts as a bedroom, fantastic workshop / garage which I'm studying now, masses of space. In all, an absolutely fantastic home. Please allow us to show you around. The wow factor, I'm sure you'll agree. If you'd like to view, give us a call 01924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.